So what we're going to do is we're going to create a piece of op art. And in order to do that, you'll need your ruler and a pencil to start off with. So what we're just going to do is we're going to divide our paper basically in half, as best as we can, horizontally, and we're going to do it vertically. And then we're going to just divide it also into thirds. So this will be a little tricky, so just try to go from the corner of your paper. Try to draw this line kind of lightly, just in case you need to adjust it. Oof. Actually, I'm not going to be able to go all the way to the corner, so if you did it like mine, where it's not perfectly centered, then that's fine. So now I'm just put that in. So again, you can see it doesn't go all the way down there, which is fine. So I'm going to do this one now, same thing. And if your ruler doesn't stretch all the way, you can see that you just draw the line as far, go past halfway, and then line your ruler back up with that line. And you're just going to draw that little bit that's left, like so. So that's the best way to do that. Don't try to like only draw it to halfway. Make sure you kind of go a little bit further, like I did. So once that's done, what you're going to do is then we're going to add in lines. And so what we're going to do is we want to kind of try to be correct with this. So I'm going to take this one and I'm going to go up, okay? And then this one I'm going to go down. And then the next one I'm going to start from where I finished. I'm going to draw a line going up, a line going, a frown line, or excuse me, a smile line, then a frown line. And this one's going to connect over here. So you can see how that looks. And again, it's not perfectly centered, but that's okay. So now I'm just going to continue making those lines. And I would suggest working around each time. So again, one's going to go down, one's going to go up. So and keep that pattern. They'll stay the same pattern throughout each section. So you can see how that's starting to look. So I'm going to do this one over here this time. And it doesn't matter. You can always start and stop in the same spot. I don't know why I keep switching it, but I feel like I want to. So as you're making these curves, I can see right there, like I didn't like that one. Really try to make sure that you're keeping your curves consistent. So it might be good to even turn your paper at times to connect them. So this one I'm definitely going to start here. As you work your way out, you'll find it gets a little bit trickier to do this. So it might be better to turn your paper. For some reason, I always like to draw my curves from one side to the other. So I can do the frown line from this side, but I like to draw my other lines the other way. And continue your way out all around your paper. When you're done, you should have something that looks like this.